Whenever we add a new tab in Safari, our Start page will load. From here, we can enter a web search or a URL from the search field. Below are several sections that include our favorites, suggested websites, which can be pages you visit most, websites shared in other apps, such as Calendar and Maps, and links shared with you in messages, mail, and more. We also have a privacy report that updates us on how many trackers and websites Safari has blocked. We can also see pages saved in our reading list, recently closed tabs, and our iCloud tabs. This will display all the open web pages on the other devices signed into our iCloud account. On the iPhone, we see the open tabs on my iPad and Mac. On the iPad, we see the open tabs on my Mac and iPhone. Just tap on a link here to open it in Safari on this device. At the bottom of the Start page is an Edit button. From here, we can reorder or hide the available items. I'll move iCloud tabs up under Favorites, and I'll hide the Privacy Report and Suggestions. Since I have the Use Start page on all devices option activated, these changes will sync to the iPhone Start page as well. Turn this off, and we can then customize the Start page for each device. I prefer to keep the Safari Start page synced with all three devices: iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Here at the bottom, we can select a background image for the Start page. Turn this off and we just get an empty background. Tap the Add button here to choose an image from Photos. I'll try this one. The new background is applied to the Start page on both devices. Next, we will see how to manage tabs in Safari.